Argus M is a leading provider of industrial lighting productivity solutions in the Russian market. We have already supplied the equipment in Russia, CIS countries, and abroad. Full development cycle, from industrial design to serial production. Argus M has 2 production facilities with a total area up to 2,000 square meters. Argus M has its own bespoke range of machine tools that offers turnkey high-precision manufacturing solutions, as well as ensure short lead times. Since 2020, Argus M has manufactured high-quality disinfection and sanitation equipment. The equipment is certified and laboratory tested for bactericidal efficiency and high performance. Since 2012, Argus M has been producing autonomous mobile lighting installations, diesel power plants, mobile video surveillance systems. Argus M light installations are completely autonomous and operate reliably throughout the most demanding conditions found at construction sites. The lighting installations are used to perform rescue operations and liquidation of the consequences of emergencies. Argus M has more than 9 years of manufacturing hands-on experience. We perform large-scale projects of special complexity.